Okay, aha, smart Ghana update so. Ebusuafo we bi akọ aba me din di adwoa e champoma. News update na brasa so biem say yesi nkonya na ye de ebesom. Honorable Boache Ejakon wakasa afa ye election petition ho. Say Ghana said they ade na koye no. Say sorry anopa enye court asem election na it's about COVID-19. We dey wanka COVID wakasa fa election petition ho. Na watch say ekwan ya Yewura Mahama wode ne NDC aban ne NDC fo ne na lawyer fo o makọ court na o court na fe de o nsem yi na ade be chi na sei judge bi so o masem anom de ne number bi na che say o chirem o say said de na me ko ne de Yewura Mahama egu ne ho anim ase ogu ne ho anim ase pa wa hwe ya fini keka wa bi ebetumi akeka no due to court nsensemi ho ebe nam so ma 2024 anhwa ontimi sa megina ese Ghana fo ento ne so aba menchire mu nko akire no yenkotie Honorable Boache Ejakon bra ye ba ase de munim no de edi ho no eye nkomo twetwe.
Don't tear down institutions. Say institution be a mistake. Ye trust any ye kura any ye shishe send ye be next time no e be better than it was. Ye sha see ye to about Ghana. Nenye say the tie. Ye de kakra and air kwanim. So no enti prekumpe na manyokuo bi ana amanyokuo no akendifo ehase ye niema ensem fata say be good elections any electoral commission hufia na ntwa yi na pania oye no na se ne say enti NDC for won hokoko the Ecosu Supreme Court me pa me Mahama Kameka say yentwaso na menko boa me say 2024 na me pesa me kwa na menko boa me because the Ecosu the try ya ebegu no ho to the extent to say 2024 no ontimi nyina bio na 2024 na G-Mensa no na da wo huh? Okay, say G-Mensa and enim na juma ya 2024 or organize elections now obe participate.
I say musanini.
Obe participate. Say chimebi ba baby pa. Entina IPAC wo. Entina political parties any is yeshia. Na outside the court. Mutimi di manu disem niema court buaye ana court emuwa no mutimi di ko NDC for you have not covered yourself in glory. Court asebi pa de Mr. Meka, you have not covered yourself in glory. The mesre say mon train sign pa a trona mudi wo court in the Monteso. Mama Monsa so say, and Moncasa no, one prepare case the year. Now, loyalty case, who catch the court and say, as some no crime in none to Aswa. We'll file notice of discontinuance. Court and say, one to them. Court and Casa do no Rahe party and this idea assembly. No. You can file a notice of discontinuance, and they will issue the certificate of discontinuance. Say, "Mo na mo de mo ba asam na ba. Mo se se ni esi kono kura mo jai." Em se enu be ebuo be ba ho asin ekwan a om de nam susese.
Jack re bia boko.
Me adom.
E de yankofa sia se hie bi. Ono aboko Boache Ejakon e pote ne nka no.
Asam na wo ka no de fa ba bi no se yeah, meka se areho ya na wanwa
chesen
areho ne sense bia wo lose election na a petition court no na afi oyese ne adesimese oyese ne adesimese on se areho se ana ne ya ne se dismissal house no as there's no success in whatever you do. But the American say, "Asem no can no cremum credibility here for a on say na say na man for contemplative between Alan Cash and Dr. Bawumia, because they've not been in the path of aspiring for presidency before. Vice President Alan Cash na 20 Nana Akufo-Addo beba no na between on Nana Akufo-Addo and Nana Akufo-Addo take it over. And as I say na aba between Alan Cash and Dr. Bawumia me dey ka be see asem so. Okay. But Bawumia no because say omo en reigning on the path of presidency. Obia ntimi ensusu omo to some level in terms of this court sema kosu na say obia ntimi enhu de omo betimi aye poti na say obia ntimi ensusu 2024 de betimi asi on their path because omo nye president da Dr. Bawumia na vice president ben but vice president is different from a whole president so what you say but Nana Akufo-Addo ne ex-president Mahama they've all been presidents before and obi atwa one term afina Nana Addo ye court na all twaso and I say ya declare no all twaso so what you say
na say wo mu no bi aso de na asema court pen
ndina ne ya America ne say na fe why president pen no aba na ya to aba na wa lose no akọ court na fe ye dismiss o credibility no say we ye president pen no na e bia 2024 be say biem no ase na eso tikaka so what I say because as a court of bones and near bones and to good to the analysis and that means be in so what I say on another side you can't declare say Chinchina 2024 ex-president Mahama a credibility be kofom into Chinchina it is never true. Okay. It is never true. I know the many papa boache jako enya adwen kakra because you ha nse be benesi 2012 nse be benesi 2016 but we have about 2 year course here and I even coming down from 2016 about 2020 she said the ex-president Mahama amanfo horo no so nehwe
Ghana for horo ne
sekete mu nsem bebre nehwe
47%.
Even if not 47%, because the difference in votes, no, me say, tell me, because I say we are one for me NDC. NDC ni me no.
We are Ghana ni.
We are Ghana ni.
We share the echo.
We share the echo.
No, who ni obeka.
MPP for now they've realized some me kind me be na omo ye me say I me NDC ni den. And no as say on aboka in Japan mu nyina ka they never expect say ex-president Mahama benya sahaba no. They never expected. Say obenya sahaba no so who dey me patch no nti untimi determine say Chinchina we are 2024 na credibility be confirm it is never true
na just say yes Ghana for short memory no di ogidi sa
enyi pasa na ni patie na kanyame
am Ghana for na short memory
sa zenyame am refi anka nyina bia anka yewu
okay
ka oya odi bia obedi ene onu ma bia obadwene afa nipa ho anka na say nke normal ye wo wiase no ba no ntini nyame boy refi so what you say be fa no nkra ento nchen no e wonkofo bi o me loyal member of the party utwa o muti seden they are loyal member of the party and they also be Ghanaians are discerning to an extent say as they say ni enhwe credibility yakofoma na ye hwe say so wa hwe udimi ye man ya fa udimi anya ne asesan sana they say aba in the level of member of parliament no sana course 2020 election Sana beba presidential elections also eba because Ghanaians are discerning. So it is no more about credibility. We lose credibility until there be. Okay. They do 2024. Omo so mbeto abama sa complacency no na e wo MPP side. Anu na nipa
say. Ka me ba be bisa ho asem pa.
Ni say dia na we bisa. Say me ready wa adwen. Complacency.
Asa anya no na eche wo mo egusu a eche wo mo
no. Complacency in the wo side. So we feel wo side. It is never true. Say 2024 ex-president Mahama ekojina ebia the esi into obeluse. It is never true.
Okay.
Now people are understanding politics. Say politics a game. Whether you lose or win a game, you be winning or winning. It is a mikukumi huama NDC. I mean, found also be winning and be lose. That is to say, I'm not sure go for three. And found say, express the Mahama ye see, and we say, semi don't know some kotuamana, metuamano. die bia obeye bibi ema me mpesua so nti meto ama no so what you say in this complacency na NPP side no they should be careful ema ne bibia so nti
enko
debi
na just say we say in this case no NPP form ka sa do so na
enya omo ka sa
concerning court issue ne how ese omo ya na de aba na de aye ne de mahama na anim oguase na court
no politics.
Okay,
it is politics. And NDC for also kasa. But they are both talking. Just say on the limelight, you know, and in terms of news, you know, ayana headlines in the bar. Ne say experts Mahama lose NDC lose. They are dismissing or more. And on us, amma abeto. But if you court we are obi abet my homework. We have about 3 to 4 years ahead of us to vote again. Anything can change. As happen here, a MPP for any so say, and can hands down. Sulia, esino. So what I say, it's immediate. I don't believe in complacency. Say, I say the eco swinty, a more MPP for be relaxed, and I'm not supporting MPP. So, Tinchina me advice on some power, munya.
Advice in the say here.
Say what advice on one I said, wow. So what I say, but me mboa obia, but
Sani obeboa ha boa.
Asem na ye papa honorable Boache Ekano, and I say MPP for her na complacency anya den anchi. If they are saying it because of propaganda, they are fine. But say the omutri say ebema express them Mahama lose credibility and they should be careful. Because there are more people complaining about the government. So what I say, and there are more people who love the government. But depending on the choice, you don't know. It do 2024 and it do say, who say, send credibility a for man. And I say, who results in 2024, you can't determine say the credibility a for. So one day me patch. Na say, expect them how I said, when you mean say be a better my dear court. So what I say, but emra ne do and do. Ebi so ano so on the point, but emra na eden. Ubu aso timi court. Na odi bem so emra bitimi am odi for. So what I say.
Okay. Etina sa na ya bo ewra court ho ne de. Ene na ma mimisa say, time na ye ewra Boache eja akokasa no say, de ne ma eduru ne de guase na do so nti kebe ya nka. Won sanka se me na me ka say, oh, me de be ne ma ba court.
He's right. Ye normal police station, we find them they perform police station. When they are some police station, what because say in Murphy near campus. That is it. Near friend discontinuity. Oh, catch a court. Say me am dey buy, but my head and my chance. But wow there, me know me politicians being a bit compromising to say and I say obe accept defeat. Okay. Until the court now declare say no. Kofie. Me declare odibem odifo. I don't think say NDC will lose guard say chinchina. Yeah, and the sanka omogu party.
I don't think me Babeka say e bia wonyi ni say san enema no mo consider because this oka so hako fa say na free court e de be fie bia me am the call your supporter say e won hia. Next time say you to aba na say wonchu bi ba na say osabe ka say me supporters won hwe say supporters for no one bet
obi anyone obi accept it
na say ni na be say ni na kan bi nti one fa be fee.
It is never possible until the court declares as me say na obentin we dibem na we odi for na afi ye hu say ye sana friend is 2012 year so eduru baby no 2012 no bosome nwotwe eduru baby we na Ghana for ya pa ba we na ya bre say na da bia na my lord na Africa Ghana for abre na nka MPP for me na mi sana na mi hu no say MPP for ehu na nko mu hu ya bia nko ma nkokọ na nko ma prepare for 2016 but we no mu hu o mu mistakes ni ade it we nyina no it's also serving as an environment to learn. If we NDC force, both MPP and NDC, they are all learning through this court proceedings. Into be a there alongside no, sebi obi man credibility man from so jai. Obi desire express them Mahama on kaze o jai because obasa na na ese odi disappoint na me nya sure.
Say
yes apa they are not. Nyame na aka express them Mahama kuma because your two abani we obigina was I have not congratulated anyone. Now we are sure say it is not. It is me for my suggestion it is not possible.
Okay, eti ye di wie no na kra.
Kakra America ne say MPP should be careful.
Okay.
Complacency eno ena ema afedi omonti ase say President Mahama nya aba bebre no. Nti ema omonwe ne say the credibility beba from 2024 ye nya declare we are the next subsequent years no. It has to be a record there. But record ne say ye the court na ejima nanado and na record but say nungwase abenti omo eje mu saade e be record saade da ho and no na bia be man credibility aba from kaka nanso so still na no me say advice say MPP nya careful. This is not the time they would exercise complacency to an extent say mbeka say nungwase abenti 2024 because 2024 no yenim Dr. Bawumia nyuma obetumi abeya as a president yenim Lankasha nyuma obetumi abeya as na whoever will come but President Mahama di yenim no so what I say anya no winning kofo bi hearts so what I say they shouldn't let that allow them to exercise complacency sana meka no.
Okay ya ti Jackie da se abusia Jackie de esi me so me de esi na me de answer na no COVID-19 da wuro na na eguso aye boy be sere se face mask no yen hyehye yen horo yen sa e omu se ya president awa be kasa e se Yakopon ya adoma either March or April or mo bepe vaccine bi e de aba na se nu ho na se vaccine ma ya yeso de ne yeye de betumi aye ne se be horo yen sa na ya hye face mask ye di protocols no so na etumi aboa ye bi grombo a se ye di so sa akwa na hu hia se bi e ba ko pane e be du esa hode ne de e wo ho enu nti no moma ye nya ne sa ne ntimi emo ye nyina ye de masi anom ya na wo do comment aba within the adjoa e champoma mini Jack ene tena se atwetwe nkomo ya kra mo.